Tired of shelling out big bucks for fancy skincare? Well, listen up. You can banish breakouts without blowing your budget. In this video, we'll reveal the affordable, dermatologist-approved skincare routine that cleared our skins. From drugstore cleansers to over-the-counter treatments with proven acne-fighting ingredients. We'll walk you through the morning and night regimen that worked wonders for most of us. No need for expensive prescriptions or products. These budget buys got acne under control and will get your skin clear too. So if you're looking to kiss acne goodbye without breaking the bank, you don't want to miss this. So stay tuned. Treating acne properly, you must understand what's happening beneath the surface of your skin that causes those unsightly bumps and breakouts. There are 4 main factors contribute to acne. Excess oil production. Overactive oil glands mark acne-prone skin. Follicular hyperkeratinization. Abnormal buildup of dead skin cells within the hair follicles. Bacteria. A type of bacteria called Propionibacterium acnes, P. acnes, lives on everyone's skin. In acne-prone skin, the bacteria rapidly multiply within clogged follicles and cause inflammation. Inflammation, the interplay between oil, dead cells, and bacteria, triggers the immune system to respond. This breeds red, painful bumps that can damage skin tissues. Now, we know the causes for the problem. So when selecting over-the-counter acne products, there are 4 powerhouse ingredients to look for, according to board-certified dermatologist Dr. Shireen Idris. Benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is highly effective at killing acne-causing bacteria on contact. 2. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid chemical exfoliant that dissolves the glue between dead skin cells to prevent clogged pores. Retinoids. This over-the-counter and prescription ingredient also minimizes acne-causing bacteria and inflammation. Sulfur. Sulfur destroys P. acnes bacteria as an antimicrobial agent. In addition to these 4 powerhouse ingredients, we also need to establish an effective morning and evening skincare routine. To cleanse, washing away overnight bacteria, excess oil, and dead cells. To treat, apply lighter leave-on acne treatments before heavier creams. To moisturize, follow treatments with an oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizer and broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen. Those are important lifestyles change we have to be aware of, in order to have our skin looking the best. Here are some additional tips for treating acne. Besides finding the right skincare routine, there are other ways to keep acne under control. Wash bedding weekly in hot water to kill acne bacteria and prevent reinfection. Avoid oil-based makeup and hair products that can clog pores. Look for non-comedogenic, non-acne-genic formulas. Shampoo regularly, especially if you have oily hair. Let conditioner rinse off your face instead of letting it sit. Don't pick at or pop pimples. Picking and popping pushes bacteria deeper and can cause scarring. Manage stress levels, which can worsen acne. Make time for relaxing activities. Stick to a regular sleep schedule. Shoot for 7-9 hours per night. Stay hydrated and drink plenty of water daily. Monitor diet. While studies are limited, dairy and high glycemic foods may exacerbate acne in some people. See a dermatologist for prescription medications if OTC options don't clear acne after 2 months. They may prescribe antibiotics, retinoids, anti-androgens, or isotretinoin. While a dermatologist can provide access to prescription-strength treating acne medications, you'll still need to maintain a diligent at-home skincare regimen for the best results. When all is said and done, let us recap. You can clear up acne without breaking the bank by strategically using over-the-counter products. A complete treating acne skincare regimen consists of properly chosen cleansers, treating acne treatments, and moisturizers used consistently morning and night. Key ingredients to look for include benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, retinoids, and sulfur. Start with lower strengths and slowly introduce new products. Always moisturize after using drying acne treatments. See a dermatologist for prescription medications if moderate severe acne persists after 2 months of OTC care. But for many cases of mild-moderate acne, an affordable drugstore treating acne routine with ingredients recommended by dermatologists provides an accessible way to achieve clear, healthy skin. For more detail and complete of this study, please visit spavalus.com. Have a marvelous day and see you next time.